Hi everyone, it's Nat from Imperial Wealth, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add custom tokens to your Metamask wallet, and we're also going to be exploring the new portfolio DAPP that Metamask has put out, where you can see your portfolio across multiple blockchains, where you can buy and sell cryptos, you can do swaps within your wallet, you can even bridge cryptocurrency from one network to another. If you want to see how to do all of that, stick around and we'll look at it right now. Okay, so first of all, if you're looking for a beginner's guide to Metamask, which is a hot wallet for cryptocurrency that is a browser extension, we have a different video for that where we give you the complete introduction on how to set it up, how to back it up, how to fund your wallet. I'll leave a link to that video in the description, so if you need to do that first, you can do that and then join back with this video. So what happens is with the Metamask wallet is sometimes you have got, I'm on the Avalanche network at the moment. So you can see here that I have some Ethereum, wrapped Ethereum, and some AVAX, which is the native token on the Avalanche network. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a swap on the new portfolio DAPP. And then that will not appear in my Metamask wallet. So you may have actually even sent some tokens to a wallet and they're not showing up here. Don't worry, they are in the wallet. I'll show you how to find that in just a moment too. So basically I'm going to swap some of the wrapped Ethereum and I'm going to go for a like a USDC. So basically we're just doing the swap within the new Metamask portfolio DAPP at the moment. And I'm going to swap the wrapped Ethereum for the USDC, and we're on the Avalanche network. I'm going to get a quote. It's going to tell me that's going to cost 21 cents. Approve. So I've had to approve that transaction. Now I'm going to actually do the swap. It will tell me when that's been done right here. Confirmed. There we go. So that's confirmed. And if I go to my Metamask wallet, I want to see where that USDC is, and I can't see it on my list of tokens, even though I have just done a swap. If you're worried about a token that's not in there and you want to see what's in there on the actual blockchain, what you do is you go to these three dots right here, and then you view account in Explorer. This will show you your wallet address on the actual blockchain Explorer. And so depending on what network I'm connected to in the Metamask wallet, so if I was on, say, like the Ethereum mainnet, this would open the Ethereum blockchain Explorer. So what you do is it shows you here your balance for your address in the main native token, but it also shows the other tokens that you hold. And you just click this little drop down menu and it will show you a list of the other tokens. So you'll see there's my wrapped Ethereum and there is the USD coin, USDC. So all I have to do to add that to my Metamask is click on that. It will take me to the actual contract page of the USDC token. And you just want to grab the contract address right here and copy that. And then you can go back to your Metamask and you can go assets down here and import tokens. All I have to do is paste that token address. So that's the address of the USDC token, and it should automatically fill the token symbol and the token decimal. Another way you can do this is go to CoinGecko and find the coin that you want. So coingecko.com, there's a USDC coin. And then the contract addresses for this coin on the different blockchain networks will be right here on the right. So you can scroll down and find the network that you're on. So for me, I need to find the Avalanche network, and then I can just copy that address here as well. And if I do the same, if I add that to Metamask by importing tokens under assets, it should autofill and then add the custom token and import tokens. So you'll see now that when I open my Metamask wallet, my tokens are now all in there. From there, I can send them, swap them, whatever I want. So the cool thing about portfolio.metamask.io is you can do swaps, you can bridge tokens from one network to another, and you can also get a list of all the tokens in your MetaMask wallet across all the different blockchains. So to do this, just go to portfolio.metamask.io. I'll leave a link for you. And then make sure you are logged into your MetaMask. This is just a little test wallet that I've got here. I think I've got a small balance of Phantom. There we go. So all we need to do is select Connect MetaMask and then follow the prompts to connect to this portfolio DAPP. And then it will automatically scan all the networks that you have. And then it will build a list of all of the different tokens and balances that you have across all of those networks. So that's pretty cool. Another great thing is there is an inbuilt swap feature. So this is like a Uniswap, like a decentralized exchange style swap that you can do on any of these networks. So currently it supports the Ethereum, the Optimism, the Binance Smart Chain, Polygon Network, Arbitrum, and Avalanche. So you just select whatever network you want to do the swap on. So all I do is I select the coin that I want to swap from. I'm going to swap all of that. You have to make sure that you have a balance of the native chain's token in your wallet to be able to pay for the swap. In this instance, because we're on the Avalanche network, AVAX is the main. So if you were on Ethereum, you would need a balance of Ether. If you're on Phantom, you'd need Phantom. If you've been using any of these networks for any time, you will know what the native token is on those, and just do your own research if you don't know what it is, and just ask YouTube or Google what is the main token on Optimism network or something like that. So I'm just going to swap the maximum amount. I'm going to get a quote. It shouldn't be very expensive. It's 21 cents on the Avalanche network because it is a cheap network to transact on. It's going to send me through a few prompts here, and when it's ready, I should be able to make the swap. So that's now complete. I should be able to look in my MetaMask wallet and see under my assets that there is no longer a balance of USDC, but that has been changed to the wrapped Ether. Now I am currently farming the possible airdrop for the MetaMask token. It's rumored that today is actually the last day. So if you're watching this on Friday, the 31st of March, there might still be a chance to do some activity on this portfolio.metamask.io. It's rumored that if you do a whole bunch of swaps and cross-chain bridges, that might help qualify for the airdrop. But this isn't an airdrop guide. There's plenty of MetaMask airdrop guides on YouTube. Just have a look. There's even one on our YouTube Shorts reel on this channel. If you want to have a quick look at that, I'll leave the link to that video in the description as well. So basically, when you're bridging tokens from one blockchain network to another, in the past, it's been very hard to do this. So this is probably one of the best features of this portfolio DAPP. So you select the network that you want to transfer it from. So I'm going to transfer that wrapped Ethereum that I've got in my wallet here. I want to send that back to the native Ethereum blockchain. So what I do is I select the token that I want to send, which is the wrapped Ether. And then I'm going to do the maximum amount. So the only thing to bear in mind is when you're doing cross-chain swaps, especially when it's to and from the Ethereum network, it can end up being quite a large fee. You'll see here, this is charging me about a $30 US fee to do this cross-chain swap, but I am trying to farm the airdrop. So I'm going to do this as my last bridging transaction. So I've already done about 5 of these today. So once you have approved that and then submitted the transaction, it will tell you bridging is in process, and it can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 10 to 15 minutes. So you might need to go make a coffee and come back. It will tell you down here when that is confirmed. So we've looked at the swap feature, the bridge feature. I have not tried the buy feature, but apparently you can buy cryptocurrency with a debit or credit card in your given country directly from this DAPP. So I might be testing that out, and I'll show you how I go in a later video. But that is pretty cool since it's a decentralized app. and not a centralized exchange. You can also stake your Ethereum or tokens in the staking pools and earn a reward. So if you've just got some Ethereum sitting in your wallet doing nothing and you're not planning on doing anything with it, you can actually stake those in these pools and get 4.54% in this pool, or 4.04% interest on your cryptocurrency, and it will show you what your current balance is and what your rewards are. You can also go to a watch list and look for some tokens that you might be thinking of buying. So what I'm actually going to do is switch to the Ethereum network off of the Avalanche by hitting up here and seeing my list of blockchain networks. And you can see that my Ethereum has actually already arrived there from that cross-chain bridge that I just did. So if we're looking at a token, Vector Space AI is one that I am looking at the moment. And then, so that's the VXV. You can add that to your watch list, and then it will just tell you basically what the percentage change for any particular day is, and the 1 yearly and the 30 days and the current market cap. So you can build up a list of tokens that you are potentially thinking of adding to your portfolio. So that brings us to the end of this short tutorial. We had a look at how you can add custom tokens to your MetaMask wallet, and we had a brief exploration of the new portfolio.metamask.io decentralized app, which in my opinion is pretty cool. I'm going to cross my fingers that I've done enough swapping and bridging to qualify for the potential upcoming MetaMask airdrop. I'll also keep you updated on how I go with that. Thank you for watching. If you found this content valuable, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and also drop a like on this video. We've got a weekly podcast and content every week, giving you some latest news, giving you some tutorials, all in the cryptocurrency space. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.